Okay, so this guy called Doug Cunnington from nichesiteproject.com basically came up with a strategy called Keyword Golden Ratio, which discovers keywords using some data and some calculation for to discover keywords that you can rank within 24 hours and without any backlinks. And the strategy is actually kind of genius, but it's very, very clever, and it doesn't depend on high volume keywords. Okay, now bear with me, because when I tell you that he is only looking for keywords that have got less than 250 search volume, you might think that's not interesting, but he's got lots of proof, and many people who have tried this strategy are making 5 figures per month, okay, according to his page, which I will put underneath, and the link underneath this video so you can see for yourself. There's some case study stuff there. Here's the problem with the strategy though. What it's doing is basically getting the number of AllInTitle results in Google search. So you would do a search AllInTitle with the keyword phrase and see how many results came up, okay, divided by the search volume, and it gives you what he calls a KGR, keyword golden ratio calculation, like you can see here in this end column here, okay. He does provide a tool that will do the calculation as long as you have got the AllInTitle number. Okay, now you can see here I've got 2,785 keywords I've just put into this tool. Okay, and from that, how many of these are green? Now can you imagine doing one after the other non-stop? That's quite a chore. That is a chore. That's not even something you can do while watching the TV. It would just get really boring. So it needed to be automated, okay? And this is what we've done here. We've just automated this. Now you can see we've got 2,785 keywords it's going to go for, and there's a few green in here, and there will be a few more green in here, but look at how many red in here. Imagine you had to do that by hand, okay? And you know, it's a great strategy. People are making money with it. Check the link below for to see the details of how people are making money, and you know, some case studies on his page. But this tool automates the whole thing and makes it really super simple for you to be able to discover these keywords, and basically you can create your content around them. Now, how I think this really benefits you goes beyond what you see here initially, because here's what happens with Google ranking factors, okay? So you have some keywords that are not huge search volumes, okay, but you have got multiple of those keywords within the one piece of content, so that you're ranking for multiple keywords, albeit not high traffic keywords, but you're ranking for multiple keywords that are driving traffic from day one, from when you put your content on the internet. From day one, as soon as you get indexed, you're going to start to get content views from the search engines. You're going to get click-through rates from the search engine. That is a ranking factor in itself, okay? The second thing, the most important thing in my opinion, is the user behavior signals, okay? So if somebody stays on that content, okay, if somebody's interacting with that content, whether they are commenting, whether it's a YouTube video or doing some social sharing or just spending time on the site, okay, this is a ranking factor as well. And this is where Google can start to reward your content for more competitive keywords. Now, just because you're discovering keywords here that are easy to rank for, it doesn't mean that you cannot be targeting for that piece of content more competitive keywords, okay? You should be looking to rank for more competitive keywords as a sort of end goal, but using these keywords sprinkled throughout your content, use them as sub-headlines, use them as H3, H2 tags, etc., so that you can get traffic immediately to that content while you are still targeting the more competitive keywords. Now, those user behavior signals that I've just described to you, the click-through rate from the search engines, combined in combination with the user behavior signals of how much watch time is spent on your website, okay, how much dwell time, so that you do not have a high bounce rate. People are not just bouncing straight off. Those in combination can help you to get ranked for more competitive keywords. This is a shortcut, Okay, and I've just made the shortcut even more of a shortcut by being able to take away from you the pain of having to go through each and every one of these manually, doing an AllInTitle search every single time with this. How bored would you get trying to do that? I've just made it super simple that you can actually just click a button and it gets done. Now let me show you something else, because if I click in here to import a CSV, I don't need to add a new project here. I just need to click to import a CSV. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take this one here and import it. Now look what happens. I'm just going to expand this so you can see exactly. I'm just going to call this one test because I've actually got this running right now. Now you can see here, if I click here to select a keywords column, it's telling me every single column that I've got within that CSV. So it doesn't matter what keyword tool you export, whether you're using Longtail Pro, Google Keyword Planner, Bing Keyword Planner, or Keyword Keg, or Uber Suggester, whatever keyword tool you are using that gives you your results with the CSV format. It doesn't matter. You're just going to choose from here which column has your keywords. In this case, it's search result. Okay, which column has your CPC? In this one, you just put in the CPC. Which column has your monthly search volume? In this instance, it's volume. And you click on that and it's going to pull it in perfectly. Okay, so it doesn't matter what keyword tool you're using to discover the sort of mass keywords. I suggest you use something like Upper Suggest. You know, it's very quick and very easy to use. If you've got Longtail Pro, perfect. My preferred tool for that kind of thing is actually a tool called Keyword Keg. Some other people like to use different tools. It doesn't matter. You can pull it in any CSV format and you can just save it like that. Okay, so just think of the amount of time that you can save here, and you can see we're starting to get a lot of green in here, but it would take a long time to try and do this manually. This is a shortcut both to ranking for more competitive keywords, like I just explained why, with your user behavior signals, and to get traffic immediately for your content from the day that it gets indexed, so that you can start to drive traffic immediately without needing any backlinks within 24 hours, and you'll be able to automate it like this with the click of a button. Thank you for watching.